This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Anthony Benedetto. Discover this charming 3-bedroom home on the desirable west side. The attractive aluminum-sided exterior and updated vinyl replacement windows enhance its curb appeal, while modern comforts like a forced air furnace ensure year-round comfort. Inside, you'll enjoy a sleek kitchen and bath, a formal dining room perfect for entertaining, and a cozy living room designed for relaxation. Each of the 3 generously sized bedrooms offers ample space and natural light. Additional features include a full attic for extra storage and a spacious basement with endless possibilities. For more information, review the details below.